And there's improved governance in some of the 8 municipalities placed under administration in the northwest last year.
That's according to Cooperative Governance MEC Gordon Kilwe. He says further national intervention may not be necessary beyond August when their term ends.
Collapse in service delivery, financial mismanagement, and vacant senior posts in municipalities all cited as reasons for municipalities to be placed under administration. Improvement has been recorded in some municipalities, while others are yet to record any.
There was a difference in terms of receiving the intervention, but council differs even now. So we are trying to build them to work together.
We found that some of the systems were dysfunctional and some of the committees were not working well. And then mostly there were no senior managers.
But there's concern over the safety of administrators tasked with turning the tide in municipalities.
The life of these administrators in most instances are at risk because they have been placed in municipalities that are hostile and the security of their life is not been taken into consideration when they are placed there.
Opposition parties blame internal ANC battles for their interventions, a statement the provincial government refutes.
We feel it is not working because now you see the ANC always deploys friends and pals.
If you look at it properly, it is factional battles of the ANC playing themselves in these municipalities.
I am very much comfortable with the work that has been done there. In municipalities, of course, it differs from one municipality to another. There are municipalities that we can say they are ready now. We are ready for the intervention to be brought to an end because filling of senior position has happened. Policies and systems have been put in place to drive good governance.
Meanwhile, Kekakilwe says administrators will be deployed to the 7 municipalities recently placed under administration next week. Itumeleng Khajane, SABC News, Mahikeng.